Forgiveness is a tool that can assist youth to cope with some of the challenges that they face. Youth today have all types of pressures. There's a great deal of peer pressure and even cyberbullying. Forgiveness can assist them to cope and help them make great strides in their lives. You can find out more information about forgiveness and how you can assist them in the link in the description below this video. I'm Fred Jones, the creator of Our Future Leaders, and over the years we've developed some approaches that assist our young people to gain the skills such as communication and leadership skills that will assist them as they enter adulthood. You can reach me on our website, ourfutureleaders.ca, and together we can assist our young people to become the leaders that our world needs. After all, every child deserves a wonderful future.